Hi students, so I think you are ready for the task and I'm going to show you the project that how it's working. Okay, so the moment I will run the macro, this prompt or this input box will come and it's saying type the new sheet name. Means you want to create a new sheet and you need to give a name to it. So I'm giving the name, let's say RAM, RAM, and I'm going to press OK. So a new sheet RAM has been created, you can see that, and it's in the last. So now the task to you is that you need to create a similar macro, and the task is, I'm repeating this, that the moment you are going to run this macro, it is going to ask you that you want to create a new sheet and what is the name you want to give to that sheet. You need to give a name. The moment user will give a name to this, with a similar name a new sheet will be created, but the condition is that sheet need to be in the last only, like this. I'm going to run this once again. Like this, and I'm giving this time name Shyam. Okay, and in the last Shyam with the name of Shyam sheet has been created. So you need to do the similar task, and you can use all the methods and function which I have told you. Give a try and check the solution in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.